CTET CDP Chapter 4 Growth and Development. Today we are going to learn this CDP Chapter 4 Growth and Development. We will see introduction, growth and development meanings, and differences between growth and development. Let's start with the introduction first. Growth and development are key concepts in understanding child and psychology. Growth, physical increase in size and structure. Development, overall changes in skills, ability and behavior. These are the meanings of the growth and development. Now let's see with the difference between growth and development. Growth is a quantitative. Growth is physical changes only. Growth stops after maturity. And in development is qualitative as well as a quantitative. Includes mental, emotional and social changes, and at the last continues throughout the life. Now we will see the principles of development. Number 1, development is a continuous process. It proceeds from general to specific. It's always happen in a predictable pattern. Rate of development differ from child to child, and it's influenced by heredity and environment. Development is equal to heredity and environment. Now we will see the stage of development. Infancy 0 to 2 years, rapid growth sensory motor development. Childhood 2 to 6 years, motor skills, basic language. Middle childhood 6 to 12 years, socialization, academic learning. Adolescence 12 to 18 years, identity, puberty and emotional growth. Now we will see the areas of development. Physical, in physical, height, weight, motor skills. Cognitive, memory, reasoning, problem solving. Emotional, feeling, emotional control. Social, interaction, peer relation. Moral, understanding right and wrong. These are the all areas of development. Now we will see the factors affecting development. Heredity, environment, nutrition, health and physical activity. At last, family and society is come. These are all the factors affecting development. Educational implication. Understanding individual differences, create inclusive learning environments, focus on holistic development, track developmental milestone. In educational implication, understanding individual differences is very important. Summary: growth is physical, development is holistic, follows definite pattern and principles. Teacher must support all area of development in the classroom, so a student will learn the basic things and comfortable sit in the class. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing, prepare for CTET.